Cheers. Yeah, you can have the other one.
I've been looking for a way out. I can't find my way now. I just need you by my side. Lately, I've been thinking, baby, we could get away and never look back. Never look back. Never look back. No, never look back. Never look back. No, there's no place I'd rather be. 'Cause we're gone when you're staring back at me. 'Cause we're gone.
Good morning and welcome back to another William vlogs. So just not too long, get up, got myself dressed and about to head down. I got some stuff to do and I need to get this try on haul done today. I've been slacking a little bit, but just on that end, but not really slacking. So because videos are still releasing on my other channel, but it's been a joyful morning so far, can't complain. I got some stuff I need to get done, so I need to get it done ASAP. So I'm going down to my quarters, my little corner where I can get what I need to get done. I'm hoping, I've been uploading this vlog since yesterday. I am literally hoping that it will be finished uploading today so I could release it. Ugh, it's taking forever. They just need to get a hold of this internet and country. It's 2021. Government, you need to build some better things for the country to help, like especially when they have kids doing homeschool now in Jamaica remotely. You need to have internet in places that you don't have internet, or at least internet where there's a good amount of population of people. So this is quite crazy, but I just gotta do with what we have until, you know, better can come. So hopefully you can get an upgrade. We upgraded the thing, and you know how customer service is down here. That would be another thing I don't even want to get into. I know you guys always talk about how you like my motivational speech, especially at the beginning of my vlogs or through the vlogs, but customer service, y'all need to get it together down here, ladies and gentlemen. Customer service can make or break your business. Yes. And you see, some people, they don't pay attention to their business when they have employees in their business. They feel that, oh, you know, the employee is nice to the boss, but then when it comes to the customers, you know, that alone can chase somebody away. Because if I go somewhere and say I'm buying a pair of shoes and I know this pair of shoes is cheaper at this place, but based on the customer service sucks and the person's rude and it's like a total write-off, I would rather go to the other store where the customer service is better and the shoes might cost me maybe $5,000 or $1,000 more and buy it. Because ignorance, trust me, it don't get you that far in life as much as people are. And I think, you know, that mentality needs to change. That is something for 2020. Jamaica itself with customer service, don't get me wrong, this overseas, they got some people, they have very bad customer service. I'll tell you that much, because I've dealt with some, and some I've had to tell them about, you know what, as pleasant as I am, rudeness I just can't stand for. And if you're going to be rude to me, I will tell you where to go, right? But you know, there's always a better way that you can go about that. So customer service is one thing that definitely needs to be worked on. You have, you know, and that's why they always say the good have to suffer for the bad, because you might have 2 good ones but 3 bad apples that just bring your whole business down. So a tip for those that have businesses down here, are planning to open up a business, make sure your customer service is A1. If your customer service is A1, your shoes could even cost up more than $1,000 than the other person. but the customer service is what brings people back, because people like to interact with people, right? And nowadays, as you know, they're bringing in so much robotic things, and it's lessening job for people. So out of you just putting a smile on your face, and like I always say, whatever you're going through at home, leave it at home. When you're in the workplace, your mentality is supposed to change. You're there to work, act presentable. You know, yes, we all have a lot of issues and skeleton in our closet and problems that we're facing, and maybe sick and not feeling well, but still try to put on a pleasant face. Yes, it's going to be hard, because some of us as customer can be beep as well. So you can understand the rude customer service at times when you get those rude ass customers, because at the end of the day, they say the policy is the customer is always right. I don't believe that crap. A customer is not always right. Right? And because they think that they're always right, they feel that they could treat anybody anyway. But I always say, put yourself in somebody else's shoe, and how would you feel if the tables were turned and that was you and somebody was treating you that way? Would you not want to cuss them out or do something? So that's one thing I always even instill in my kids. Treat people the way you would like to be treated. Nobody wants to be kicked around, pushed around, and be treated worse than a dog. So, and I'm sure you wouldn't want nobody treating you, your kids, your mother, your daughter, your sister, your uncle, your wife, your niece, your nephew, or whatever it is, like that. So, always put yourself in somebody else's shoe. Just like when you see somebody walking, you're walking by and you see somebody or a child or whatever, and you know they're asking for money just to buy a little food to feed them. How would you feel if that was your child? If you were passed away, God forbid something happened to you, or you're homesick and your child's out there trying to hustle to get something to feed you and them. So these are the things that as humans, it's like we've fallen short, and we became inhumane because of stuff like that. So you always have to look at it and be like, you know, wow, why if that was my child, like out there kind of begging money to get fare to go to school, or whether it's for food, anything. So, but I realize people in this time and generation, and not even this generation alone, just this time has definitely changed. The things that we used to do back in the days, we don't do. Like if there's a family, like your next door, you know that they don't really have it like that, and you cook your nice steak dinner or fish or something. There's nothing wrong with you making a little bit extra and dishing out a plate and say here. And the thing that people have, some of you all have too much damn pride. That's the next thing. You have too much pride, and some of you let your pride get the best of you, and that's why hungry go kill some of y'all. But anyways, that is my little spiel for this morning. I hope you guys are having a great day. I need to get my butt down there, and Mr. Williams, he's outside working, so I'm gonna go see what he's up to and get my day started. The sun is shining and I am feeling blessed as usual. I got to give thanks to God because my health is great, my family health is great. You know, I live to see another day. I open my eyes, and these are the most important things to me. Anything can come after that, you know? So I got to give thanks every day you wake up, guys, and your limbs are working and you're healthy and strong. You know, you always have to give thanks, because you might be here feeling good and tomorrow you might just be gone, you know? So you always have to be grateful for that. So let's get up and see what the day has in store for us. So I am all dressed. We're heading into town. I need to go run some errands. Finally. Oh. So that's what I'm about to do. Yes. So, hello, Miss Faith. Take yourself out to my vlog. We're finally we're going to go run some errands. Got some stuff to go get, so just here and get myself together. This your Memphis throw my hair band. You see the boy there, so I love talking. It's kids of mine. I throw my headband all over the place, and then when I'm looking for my stuff, I can't find what I'm looking for because these kids dash the stuff them all over the place. So I'm just waiting on Mario to get ready so we can go get out of here.
Everything that's up in the wash and take up.
Finally!
carry my one party, my big stone.
You say if you don't carry one party, you go big stone who? Eh?
One party each.
One party each. We'll make sure the place. My dad will come back. And make sure the clothes them are hang out.
Oh, my shoes. I don't have the shoes.
You never have not yet.
One party each.
Okay. Okay, it's a celebration every time it brings up, yeah. Yeah, have your stuff where you need, Karine? One person won't want all them to go there.
Going up and I go see them.
So
Ceiling.
I can't even see myself. We've reached in town, guys. And I'll go up one hill. I ain't told me there. I don't even know. You know, say we not town. Oh, these are what Airbnbs here. Yeah, so they have cameras and stuff. Ah. Oh yeah, me have it always. I must never leave my bag. Oh.
Definitely not finished.
I like the color they put on the outside. So you feel like you go back to the same place where you just come from?
Yeah, you can't up on this road, you have to go down. Oh. Guys, you go in. Eh?
There?
You ride on it?
There, there's a Basco there.
Oh.
God. So we are downtown. It is busy. I don't know. There's just something about the lifestyle down here that I just love. There's parking there or there's no parking? We are in Basco. Can I put my purse on here, babe? Open it up. It's not just leave it. That's fine. Doesn't need to do anything. Oh, babes. You won't get a cup? A teacup? What? What do you mean why? We need plates. That was one of the things that I came for. Oh, those are cute. Store. I need to get me some new dishes, and stuff like that. So I'm getting a few stuff because I gotta have everything shipped out of. Which one do I like? I like those ones, but they're kind of little. I like them, but they're small. These are unique. They're a little bit different. And then these ones. They're wrong. Maybe it's something. I'm so used to walking and leaving my purse sometimes. I'm not in the head in ways that nobody can leave. I'll make sure I don't rock with anything like that. I don't know. Which one do you like? So is this the only glass plate section over here they have? Looking for some cups. What are those? Oh, those are plastic stuff. Got a few things because, girl, I needed some stuff. I haven't not bought any like cutlery and stuff like that in a while. So I need to get some until we decide to go with what, babe? You have the teacups them over here. What color scheme we're going with for a house, then we will decide then. They have this basket here, but that don't look that big. That don't look that big. So Mario likes the huge teacups. So I gotta look at the big tea mugs for him, because those are the type of cups he likes. Bit of a damage, not too much. We're just trying to see what everything is gonna come out to. Where do I put this? Do I push it down there? Oh, excuse me, where does this part go? Okay. Oh, because they're gonna clean it? Yeah, always. You go. Are you gonna get hand sanitizer? Cool. Oh. I left the store and we are walking. We go find. Oh, there's a community. Oh. They just sent something about my things being uploaded. So we're taking a stroll.
No.
One on drive. It's so weird. You're seeing a female. Yeah, a female. I was really going there.
So I can put one of the shop there, so and the other you can find 50. I'll take it to them. Because I'm only 3 people they have to, so I don't know.
They have more than 2.
Yeah. Yeah, so.
Okay, I'm gonna take him. We are actually going through market right now. It's super busy and there's a whole leap of noise. I would actually vlog, but I don't want to get copyright if I go through the window, but I'm still gonna show you guys some clips. Right, babes? And I'm hungry. He has not feed me yet, guys, from morning. And what time is it now?
See you from morning.
What do you mean if you see me from morning? What do you mean if you see me from morning? Yeah, so he has not feed me from morning. But oh, look at that little kid. You see he's flying down the hill on the bike. Oh, I want to sell. The guys that they sell. Where's the guy that usually sells the like stallion and stuff up at the house? Hey, guy, we usually drive around and sell stallion. You know, a long time I don't drink no stallion, I drink a stallion, boy. Yeah, I would drink a stallion. A long time I don't drink stallion. And you know, so I love it. I used to love when my mom actually makes it too. So we're literally here, like stuck in traffic and on the AC. We don't need to be on that. Remember when we did that time, you know, for the, oh gosh, nothing to me. What? Oh, see, I lady that with the hat in did I talk about? Watch this lady's hat, guy. A hat bud made out of, what is it? So bad? Eh? Only in Jamaica. Hat bud like shark. Made out of cardboard. Yeah. Oh, she have jelly. She got to jelly. What? Let me zoom in for that. What? Lady bad, so. We're going to share chocolate jelly. Baby, can I get one? I think we're on the other one, you know.
Yeah, run!
Run, can't hear you. See? No. Watch it. Oh, you send one feedback too. Yeah. Wow. Oh, God. Now, this is what you call Jamaican life. You just stop in the middle of traffic and get yourself a jelly. But you have cars going from every angle. Make this guy pass. You're gonna make him pass? So the lady come.
Okay, baby.
Thank you.
Okay.
Wow, look at that, guys. Ah! Whoa, 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 babes.
Where?
Hold on. Hey.
No, sir. Right in the store again.
Yes. Thank you. Oh gosh. Now she gotta be my thumbnail. So, oh look, and they have the shave ice. Oh, I love this when I was a kid. So they used to have the shave ice and syrup. One of the things I love. Everyone got in front. Let me see. Let me take this.
Man, you wake up here.
I'll go see if I could drink it.
Man, you wake up.
Oh, you want some beer?
Once I make it, I'm going to this one.
Go,
Man! I'm mad.
Where's the Raxton that used to be in here? Isn't there one in your door side? There was a blue one. Make sure your foot is on the brake. If I'm on? Oh. Put it down on my lap, please. Thank you. Oh.
Woman, not yourself.
See, yeah, now this is what I love. Down here, just going shopping down here and walking. I say this is what you call the island life. I love just seeing people on the street hustling, making an honest living. Oh gosh. Oh, where the ship going? Oh, babes. Oh Lord. Oh, so the soldiers them there. No. No. Oh, what is that? Matic gray. They spray paint the car. Sorry, now push it through. There's it. No, my nose. You go buy some and I'm going to need some. So what is this over here? Coal?
Yeah.
So they sell coal here and they also have fish. So the fishermen them come and you can get your fresh catch fish of the day. So these are some of the reasons why I love being home, guys. Look at this. You get everything market. Like it's just a whole different vibes. Pot. You can't get pot over there. Seasoning. Oh, look at that. See, you want fresh vegetables and fruit right at the side of the road. You can get your choice. These are the reasons why I love my little island. So there's no place like home. And this is where I love to come and shop and get my market goods. So we seem to be touring Bay. Oh gosh.
Market Street. Yeah, go run to Sunshine Plaza now. Still enjoying? Still enjoying? Go and tell me going to like I can't tell nice shady. Oh shit, you pass.
Pass one.
Shady me look.
Yeah, look shady. All I need is just a
Sunshine Plaza, man. My place. Why you see the one at all? What follow them in, man? Let's go to them.
Oh, in the back. back of the trunk. Around here, so many vehicles.
We're running lights.
Where are the light from, Mr. Williams?
Put on your mask.
Ooh, I
Didn't
like
take
the
you off.
outfit up there. Wait a second, because you tell him to put your hand and put it back on. Really fun today.
Let me say we run, they go pay for parking. That's not parking, no person. Yeah, I see. She want parking or so.
Guys, we just got some food from what? Mother's customer service. Not so 100.
No.
They could do better because they messed up on the order, and instead of the lady saying, okay, let me find out from the cashier, was the order spicy chicken or barbecue chicken? The lady's like, well, that's what's on the receipt. Well, if somebody's telling you that's not what they ordered, maybe the cashier heard the order wrong and fix it. The other lady will give the order ready to complain. Customer service, y'all need to do better. Need to do better. Well, at least if anything you have to So this is my first time actually eating from Mother's, but we're gonna see. Babes, so what kind of juice is here?
Chips.
Ugh.
Is that you?
No, it doesn't taste good. This is the liquor that you guys
You
usually
can water
chase.
this. The woman that check is in.
Oh, thank you.
What do you mean? Yeah, Batman. Babes, a water.
Can I get a piece of cocoa bread?
I swear the water.
Me taste piece of patty. I buy a piece of patty.
Hello, put this knife. Come, put your knife.
Looking like, oh God. Yeah, I'm my favorite cocoa bread.
Why you say that?
What me want me say that?
Lick him.
Turn in the alright.
You can't even fit the knife.
Doctor, you know set the right way, William. Let me taste these.
No.
Why? So hold on. Hold on for a second.
Where
Yeah.
is?
You're
Yeah,
welcome.
listen, listen.
Yeah. You really drop back, you know, say
This man give
disgusting.
me money before we drive off.
Go sanitize the hand and not put your hand back in the thing. There's a sanitizer there.
But I can't wait. Fussy. I'm tapping here with
Oh, this is nice.
hello, you all a party? Eh?
You know, I don't go back to.
What? You want different drinks?
Huh?
You want different drinks?
Where me from one different
Alright,
drinks?
take the man from the roadside.
Where man?
We must find one of the drinks, man. So, $100 for one drink.
Can I get one Pepsi?
$100 of it.
You know, sir, friend, you come here, you're asking me how much is how much for
I
that?
mean, nothing $100. I can't.
Maybe 120?
Eh?
Maybe 120?
I don't know.
I kind of so. Mario said, ain't give him water. See one man juice.
Is he like getting
Oh.
Pepsi, man?
You want him run all the way.
Drink when you get a water, good for you.
You know, say disgusting. Wow! Mario!
Hello, a man come behind me so you can know. So
He really come behind you? Really? Oh my gosh.
So you know, so he run the red light.
Oh no, I'm a food. I order, what is this? Chili. What did you give me?
Chicken.
Chili chicken. Also? No.
Chicken.
I order, I don't remember what we order. Well, I order barbecue chicken, and I order chili something chicken. So I'm about to go eat because your girl is hungry.
As always.
What do you mean as always? Come on the traffic. As always, what have I eaten from morning, Mr. Williams? What's the time now? How much o'clock is it? 5 o'clock. I'm just eating. We know. It's very disgusting. Oh, we are finally on our way up just now. And look who I got. My little man with me. It's my little baby there, my handsome nephew. You're laughing? What are you laughing at Auntie for? Hmm?
No, no squeeze.
Huh?
No squeeze tongue. Oh, no. No video too much.
You say who love video too much?
Can we love too much video but tongue
It's setting, guys. Look at it. So we are actually on our way home.
We get in the car. Please give me a picture of us.
It's not a picture. I'm vlogging.
Oh, Gladys, if you have a picture, I was 2 years old. That's right. That's Yakos, by the way, no?
Oh God.
That's Yakos, by the way, I 2 years old. I said, fuck you. I said, oh, you.
Reach home and look, we got a house full of kids. Well, some there, some of them outside. So I'm going to, gonna go get these kids some food if they haven't eaten yet, because we did bring stuff. We bought stuff and brought stuff for them. So, and then, you gonna take out all the stuff out the car? I mean, you don't know.
The drips.
You see about you the drips.
Mommy, where's the party?
And then we're probably, I don't know what we're doing for the night. That's probably about it. Can I get 2 pillowcases, babe? And I gotta go get these plates and stuff that we bought washed up and stuff like that. You see all the new dishes and stuff we got?
You are Mr. Rat.
This is my household right now, full of kids making beer noise. And you realize that this is the oldest ones them that are making more noise than the younger ones? That's exactly what's going on. I can't even hear myself think right now. Liar, don't give him none. Watch your Corinne. You see how you get Giselle party? I know in the Nyamlanya one. Watch it. After your sister already get 2.
People may eat too much.
What kind of name when I call each other? Alright, so I'm gonna come and pack out the stuff. I got these 2 in here to come and help me. Yeah, it's a plate.
You want to me this year? The plate I can't eat all one for food. Make sure you come on, Mommy, you see me picture some. Me want food out of this. I'm me after me plate this year. If you don't want to feed, then you have to go and bean the plate over there. Me don't want to bean the plate. You can't hear? I don't bean the plate, girl. But the one that don't want to feed. This I'm one. I
got some nice dishes because I needed some new cutlery until we figure out what our scheme is going to be once the kitchen is finished. So, what were you guys just doing?
We gotta be greedy. Same thing we do every day. No, y'all know what are you no. Alright, alright, some food.
All of these need to get washed. They have the Tupperware.
Last time I washed it.
Oh God.
Wash your plate. Wash them. Wash them.
How you get stuck in your bed? Usually you're the first one.
Just let push him. But what? I'm not pulling me back. I'm going to before me. No straight. Wash your plate. No, it's already. It's too late. It's too late. Mommy said too late already. Why? Memphis, wash your plate. You must feel good. Go. See one ya. See me. Father cow this year. Alright, you proved ya. If you ever hug me again, not touch me. Let me get your ticket here. Remember some video with theater ball today, remember?
So much play now.
Don't ever touch me again.
Don't even that much.
Oh, that's more to watch them now.
It's too late. You're already done for.
Mommy, just pull me back.
You're done for already, boy.
I wouldn't tell if you never trick me. And I'm sorry I tripped you. Make him out little.
If me trip you, you go back out there.
You can't never go ever.
Too late.
And last time we did that.
Them boy, them serious out there. Yeah, man. Wait.
Yes, you're not disgusting. Overplayed.
Disgusting.
No, look here. Look how it's so nice. My God. So nice. See what I'm doing. Anytime you want nice one, that they play them you want theater. I beat them at the flap. Them you want theater. So they didn't this.
I'm not unravel plate, but what the food is.
Oh, what they want to do?
What do you do?
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Look at it. They call each other.
Which one dog?
Hello. What do you mean, dog?
People, tell me. Don't mean I come in. Which one bigger? Where are the one? Which one bigger? Look for it. Which one do you think bigger? Yo, when mommy I make peanut porridge. Peanut porridge, yeah. They want to come here get the big man cup here. 1 minute love.
Tell them say they're too loud.
Oh man, this is my cup. So my repair me 2 cup, them wine broke. Yeah. Now pour them. Cheers.
Yeah, you can have the other.
Guys, I'm finally coming to end the vlog. It is late. Oh my goodness, we were just there, just sitting, just talking and just having a good time. The kids them were running up and down, making a huge mess, but at least they cleaned up back the room, so that is good. So I'm coming to end the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog outing, and if you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Don't forget to subscribe to the William fam, and don't forget to tell a friend to come and join the William fam, where it is always a vibes over here. And I will catch you guys all in the next one. Stay blessed, guys.
They are not our fears we see. No one will left. We can't sink on the Titanic. Fight for you, you fight for me. Die for you. Remember when them tell us that me gonna be the wife for you. That in the past and we pass it just like an interlude. How them meet and how them greet is like real life an interview. That in the days and now it's every day. You want my